the mission to become a leading research center in refining process as well as the product development.
At the stage of 500 barrel per day demonstration, we chosen the form of union for the organizational structure of the project. 6 private companies created a union, and JOGMEC closed a single contract with the union.
Academia, very, very important for us, especially in collaboration with our research people. Research institutes alone in EOR, we as BSF have about 30 collaborations with academia, with universities and research institutes globally.
We think that pilot is a very important and necessary step to perform the final qualification in real condition of our technology before full-scale implementations.
Are we currently fit for future, or what needs to be done really to react on the new market requirements?
It will take time, but whereas this is a big challenge for this, taking the knowledge, then building a team with this and develop this is a big challenge. This involvement of locals are more important for us.
We need to find partners. So we need. One thing we have to do is team making. How we can make a good team or not, and the technology and enough expertise is what we're doing at the start of the project.
Us, it's important to save cost in R&D on one side in order to deliver a cheaper solution to the customer, but we don't want to cut projects. The oil price is going up, projects will come back, and then we need to be prepared in order to supply the customers.
What's your experience to develop that kind of risk-taking attitude?
Based on the fact that the oil price is very difficult to predict, assuming we're going to have low oil price for a while, is there any technologies or innovation that's been spun from the low oil prices?
Each collaboration or partnership is very specific, and of course we have to select the best partnership, and one of possibly criteria for that is we are making sure each time that the collaboration will be a win-win collaboration.
With the current low oil prices, which is on the mind of everybody, it's requiring us to come up with the innovative technology. It requires us to improve our efficiency and requiring us to reduce cost.
Yes, we face rapid changes, but those are full of opportunities, discoveries and inventions.
These are the benefits. It's reducing of using natural gas in vehicles. It's definitely reducing the emissions listed below. Some are for the gas oil and some are for the gasoline. And as well as the technical benefits that there are no modifications to the engine, and it has proven that it actually reduces the maintenance intervals on engines.
When I walked around the exhibition hall over the last couple of days, you begin to see the seeds starting to grow into something that will dominate our lives, I feel, in the future, for critical processes and critical technologies that are on the critical path for your projects.
What we want to do is make all the tools in our toolbox, in our global toolbox, available to the applications here. So we now have, working between Abu Dhabi and our technological center down in Pau in southwest France, we have basically an interface that allows everybody to collaborate, use computer power and use software seamlessly between the two locations.
I believe the issue is not oil price. The real issue is how we manage the cost. In other words, how we remove unnecessary complexities.
So the success of low-frequency seismic survey in Bongo Basin opens a new exploration frontier for other rift basins in the Central Africa rift system to find new oil field in the Precambrian basement.
R&D people need to understand the deployment requirements the thing that the people in the front line need to solve and focus on that, laser focused, and that really makes a huge difference.
With the possibly continuation of the oil prices as they are, I think yes, definitely we have to optimize. We have to find ways and means of probably cutting cost and introducing maybe technologies and being efficient in our operations.
The whole story around how software enablement helps us make data-based decisions more effectively and more efficiently is absolutely vital in the current market. It makes us a lot more efficient with the assets that we deploy and use.
We're making a bet on solar. We've done that here in Abu Dhabi, but also with our majority shareholding in SunPower.
We are proactively contributing or supporting Japanese government's initiatives in carrying out pilot tests, CCS, to establish the CCS technologies, and also the selection of appropriate CCS site in Japan. So we are heavily involved in such governmental initiatives.
Most of the oil company cut the budget for exploration 20 to 30%. But in other way, it gives the G&G staff more time to do the homework. So to change, to improve the success ratio of exploration.